here we come to the elevator at Dillard's at Park Place Mall in Tucson, Arizona. It's a Schindler 300A with RT fixtures. And it's here. Let's get a cab view. This was installed in 1999. Go off level. ECI interlock. Very nice. Re-level. Nudge mode. Let's go up to 2. It's down to 1. Door closed does not work. Very nice cab. Capacity 3,500 pounds. That's the ADA compliant phone. I'm not gonna open it this time. But just so you know, the inside chime does work. Because if we put it in nudge mode, you'll hear the chime. And this is a Schindler, not a Westinghouse RT. Because this was installed in 99. Nudge mode on a Schindler 300A. Looks pretty well. Has to be 3,500 pounds. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi! Indicator is partially burned out. This is a very nice elevator. It's held up quite well for being a Schindler. It's in pretty good shape. Schindler badge is missing. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.